Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Asrin and I'm a self-taught artist. I share painting tips, tutorials and process video for both acrylics and gouache. Today I will be painting a winter landscape and give step-by-step instructions. So bring your art supplies and paint along with me. The materials used in this video are mentioned in the description. If you want, you can take screenshot of this reference image and follow along with me. I ran out of white paint in this set, so let me fill it real quick. While painting, always use paper which is 180 GSM or above. I am using 240 GSM gouache pad from the brand Menorah, which is the best paper for gouache I have used till now. You can achieve smooth blending in this paper compared to other watercolor papers. Spray some water for 10 minutes once to avoid the gouache paints from drying. I am mixing violet and white with a medium sized flat brush. If the paint feels thick, add a drop of water to it to make it into a smooth consistency and apply it on the top side. Next, I am using a filbert brush to apply the pink shade. While blending, move the brush gently. Don't add too much pressure to the brush. Once blending process is done, wash the brush thoroughly with 2 glass jars of water before moving to the next part. Next, I am applying the yellow shade to the sky and blending it with the help of white. Use code ARTLAB to get 5% off on all products on Menorah stationery. Now I am mixing a medium yellow plus red and apply it to the sky pot and blending it with yellow. If you see this paint texture, it indicates that your brush didn't have enough moisture. So add a drop of water to the paint and continue blending. To paint the clouds, I am using a small sized filbert brush. You can also use a round brush to paint the clouds. But make sure your brush should be slightly dry when painting clouds to avoid reactivating the layers underneath. Next, I am mixing a pinky shade and apply it above the orange cloud. Take the remaining pinky shade and apply it to the snow pot and blend it with the purplish grey color. Add more white to the previous shade and use the dry brushing technique to make the snow texture. Now I am using an orange color to paint the pine trees roughly because if you see the reference image, the sun rays is peeking through the trees. To achieve that effect, I am painting the trees first with the orange color. Use a small size round brush to paint the trees. I am fast forwarding it because I don't want you to get bored of watching me painting every single brush stroke of the trees. Now mix the ochre and burnt umber to paint the tree silhouette. For the bottom half of the tree, I am using a burnt umber plus black to make it look darker because the sunlight only reaches to the top half of the tree. Always swatch the paint to a separate piece of paper to see if the color really matches with the reference and then start to paint. Paint the snow in different direction to make it look more realistic. For the distant tree, I am painting the snow a bit darker because in any kind of painting, the trees or any other object that are present in the foreground should be detailed and bright colored, and the things that are located in a distance should be painted less detailed and darker in values to create the depth in the painting. I am applying white to highlight some parts of the snow where the sunlight reaches. As a final step, I am applying orange to top part of the trees. That's it guys, the painting is done. I'm so glad you watched till the end. If you like my content, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.